Gago!
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I don't believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So, pupunta kami ng Sitio Abud. Nagpas na kami ng Kinabuan. May isang falls daw dito. Hahanapin namin kung saan ang daan. Pero parang naliligaw kami.
Paro-paro.
Naman.
Ay, susan niya. Nakala ko ang sino.
Saan kaya ba? Saan kaya banda ron? Hahanapin namin ng isang falls dito.
May daan dito.
Nagpas ng Kinabuan.
May tayo.
Okay. Mukhang tanaw na namin nung sinasabi nilang falls sa Sitio Abud. Tabing ilog lang talaga. Ayan.
Para sa tabing.
Lapitan natin. Sitio Abud Falls. Saan tayo dito? Ayan na siya oh.
Ang cute na ang palasubos.
So, nakabalik na kami galing sa Sitio Abud. Nakita namin yung talon. So, papunta naman kami ngayon sa Kinabuan Falls. Bali, ngayon pala, itong Kinabuan Falls, ang may hawak na is part ng Quezon at Dingalan, Aurora. So, meron na silang sinisingilitan na 25 pesos, no?
Oo.
Para sa mga bisita. Napupunta naman yun sa Dumagat.
Para sa kanila.
Para sa kanila yon. Sa community ng Dumagat dito. So, yun. Lakad muna kami. Mamaya ulit. Pag nakita na namin ng Kinabuan Falls. Alright. Malalim to. Ah. Ito, Ed. So, ito na. Ito na ng Kinabuan Falls. Ayan. Yan ang main falls niya. Yung mga paligid, maraming mga mini falls dahil nag-uulan. So, kami lang ang tao. Mark. Second falls in a day. Oh, naliligo muna kami. Okay.